Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork katsu in your air fryer. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless pork loin, which you'll slice into half-inch thick cutlets. Then, gently pound each cutlet to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Don't forget to season both sides of your pork generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. This initial preparation is key for a tender and flavorful katsu. Now let's get those cutlets perfectly breaded. Set up a classic 3-station assembly line, one dish with all-purpose flour, another with 2 beaten large eggs, and a third with about 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. First, dredge each pork cutlet thoroughly in the flour, then dip it into the egg wash. Finally, press it firmly into the panko, making sure it's completely covered. This triple coating creates that signature crispy texture. It's time to air fry our katsu to golden perfection. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Lightly spray both sides of your breaded cutlets with cooking oil. This helps achieve that beautiful golden brown crust. Place the cutlets in a single layer in the air fryer basket, ensuring they don't overlap. Cook them for 8 to 12 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through for even cooking and crispiness. Your delicious air-fried pork katsu is ready. Before serving, ensure the internal temperature of the pork reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the katsu rest for a few minutes after cooking. This helps redistribute the juices, making it even more tender. Slice it into strips and serve immediately with your favorite tonkatsu sauce, a side of fluffy steamed rice, and some refreshing shredded cabbage. Enjoy this crispy, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.